What's up, y'all? Sorry, yeah, I just got in the house. I'm a little sick, but your girl needs to lose a few pounds, and yeah. So I came across this baking soda and lemon cleanse or detox that supposedly everyone swears up and down that you're gonna lose 3 pounds a day, well, up to 3 pounds a day, and it really does, you know, help with bloating and makes your tummy a little you know, smaller, which everyone I can definitely use, benefit from. So I haven't stepped on the scale, so this would be just my first go round. I actually just want to see if it actually works for us, like sending you to the bathroom and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up and drink it. Today is December 5th. So yeah, I will check back in a little bit while I'm drinking it, just to see how it tastes. I'm not too enthusiastic, or you know, I'm not too happy to be drinking baking soda, but we shall see how it tastes. I'm pretty hungry, so let me go ahead and start this because it's best to drink it on an empty stomach every morning. So yeah, let's get this started. The lady's channel that I got it from, so we shall see, y'all. So I have to just sit y'all on the table because I'm at my mom's house and I did not think to bring a tripod or anything. So yeah, so basically here's my cup of water, my lemon, half of a lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze that in.
Oh yeah, this is a lot. Oh, gotta see.
All right, y'all, let's get her done. So honestly, it's not bad. It's really not bad, honestly. It has like it just tasted like a bad, watered down, overcarbonated, like Sprite or 7-Up, if they kind of make sense. Yeah. Really that type of taste. So yeah, I will be back to check in with y'all and let y'all know what happens, because honey, I am terrified. Luckily I work from home and I came to my mom's house today, so you know, the bathroom was right around the corner. But yeah, I would definitely check in with you guys. Like I said, I'm not stepping on the scale. I honestly just want to see if it does work for sending you to the bathroom and cleaning you out, because I use a good cleaning, because you know. But yeah, I will check in shortly. Bye guys. So we're down to the final stretch. Oh shit. So it's been about an hour and this shit done kicked in. I'll be right back.
3 hours later.
All I can say is, if you ever had, this is the perfect example. If you guys have ever had food poisoning, like the diarrhea aspect of it, that is exactly what happened to me. Yeah, luckily I work from home. This is not the type of, you know, let me drink this before I head into work type of ordeal. This is not the, oh, I'm hungry. This is not the, you know, let me drink this before I go shopping type stuff. No, ma'am. You have to stay at home because it hits you like, boop. I'm not lying to y'all. No, I would not lie. So, does it work? Hell yes. Does it make you go to the bathroom? Hell yes. So I definitely feel like this would be something I would do, like if I'm going to do like a full like weight loss journey, like incorporate it into that, which I might do because your girl needs to lose about 20 pounds. So yeah, guys, if you like to see more of me or you like this on my channel, then don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.